Dear students, welcome to the course on Total Quality Management. Let's start with the first lesson and session 1. First, let's introduce myself. My name is Dr. Dusan Kucera. I am coming from Czech Republic. It is in the Middle Europe. I was educated at the Charles University, where I've finished my master degree in the subject of philosophy and history. My PhD degree I've got on the University of Economics in Prague on the Faculty of Business Administration, and also I have studied the international MBA program together with the Volkswagen concern and the Škoda Auto automotive company. I have worked 10 years in Škoda Auto, and after my managerial experience I moved to university, where I am as an assistant professor for business ethics, for basics of management, project management, operation management, procession management, and so on. I am also active as a tutor for international MBA program at the same university, and now I am very happy to be adjunct professor by Dunya University in Afghanistan. What are my teaching experiences? You know, I have a very nice experience in management, especially in the Škoda Auto company, and I was also active in a special non-profit organization, but now I use this practice for teaching and research in the area of HR management, business strategy, business ethics, and management in general, as I have told. I am also concentrated on the subject on sustainability, you know. In various universities in Slovenia, in Germany, I was active also in Swiss universities and Latvia. My research directly interests are in the area of sustainable development goals. I focus in my research on personality of managers. Maybe we can see spirit of capitalism. And I am trying to make the application of the theory on the post-communist transformational economy in our country, in Central and East Europe. Regarding my publications, I would like to say that I have published some chapters in American books. For example, the title was The Organizational Trauma and Conflict Between Words and Pictures in the Reality of Business. I have also written very much articles, too much articles regarding philosophical prerequisites of managerial responsibility, sustainability and management, and so on. Let's talk now about the structure of this course. The course is about total quality management. So from the organizational point of view, this course is divided in 12 lessons, 45 minutes each. Each lesson has 3 sessions, 15 minutes each. Each lesson is followed after that by a 15 minutes question and answer session. So it means you will have the opportunity to repeat and to really learn about the most important points of our subject. You will receive also a study pack containing text and graphical material supporting the course, and you know, this course is also connected with additional readings. And the readings will teach you how to understand and how to apply the acquired quality management philosophy analysis and tools for improvement of any company development. The first course will cover topics such as management and total management, total quality management. So you see we have actually three titles: management generally, quality management, and total quality management. So they are the key aspects of this course. We will make the general introduction to the management, and we will ask what is the quality management and what can managers do to stabilize and improve the managerial processes in order to achieve the highest level of quality. And the third point is the total quality management, which is a combination of methods how to lead and manage production companies or service organizations to achieve the highest level of quality. It means we will also discuss very important topics such as analysis of company. To be a good company, it means to have a good strategy and to use a good planning. And we have to touch also the topic regarding personal responsibility and cooperation with partners, or something like teamwork. So it means we will cover effective tools and methods how to achieve the sustainable quality of business processes. If you complete this course, I am sure you will master following. First, you will understand the total quality management concept and principles. You will understand the various tools available to achieve total quality management. And you will understand also the statistical approach to quality control. The last point, I would like to say that you will acquire awareness about the ISO and quality standards certification process and its need for the industries. Everybody, so you as students who complete this first lesson, you will learn following. First, you will understand the problems of current management challenges. We'll discuss the changes and shortfalls of efficiency and effectivity in companies. The next topic will be the analysis of quality management, especially in production and service companies. We will speak about the qualification and classification of various quality management tools. And last point, I would like to say that we will be able to distinguish between different managerial skills for the sustainable development of quality and organizational process. I recommend some professional books. First one is from Mr. Schermerhorn. It is the book about exploring management. Very interesting book, could be helpful from Rollins, Total Quality Management. And you know, I would recommend you to see many journal articles or other similar books according your own interest dealing with total quality management. So far to the introduction to our course. And let's start now with the lesson 1 and session 1 directly. We will introduce the quality management. Our main question is, why do we need quality management? Before we open the main topics, let me ask you 3 important questions. The first question is, what is management at all? We can say that management is a general scientific discipline that identifies first the rules of management, principles, special tools, and special processes. To be a good manager means to support and facilitate the work of other people and organizations. To be a good manager means to meet the goals of all participating parties. We are saying stakeholders. The second question is, what is quality management? Quality management is based on the qualitative optimization of production processes with regard to effective use of material and time resources. Quality management focuses on the expected quality of products on the one side and on services on the other side. And all are defined by next special parameters. The third question we have promised is, what does total quality management mean? Total quality management signifies special excellence and includes following. First, the quality policies, the quality processes, the intended results. It means we need also quality planning, quality insurance, quality control and quality improvement, and this all for all participants in the production processes. Therefore, we are speaking about total quality management. It means it is valid for all participants in the production processes. Total quality management concerns all areas of management. It means development, it means production, sure, it is sale and service. The word total means that everyone in the organization is involved in the final product or service for the customer. Let's think now about the combination of very important terminology like effectiveness and efficiency. It's described by Peter Drucker, and he said that effectiveness is doing the right things. It's not easy, but let's understand what it means. Effectiveness means what we do. Effectiveness means that we are useful, that our work is useful, that we are fulfilling a special purpose of our activity, and we contribute to our productivity. So this is the first term, effectiveness. The second one is efficiency. Drucker says efficiency is doing the things right. When we do right things, now it is important to do it right. Efficiency means how we work. Efficiency means to do our work without waste. We observe the level of results and the quality of our work. And we can say, according to Rollins, that the quality is doing it right the first time and every time. Total quality management is based on some principal challenges. You know, the management is a process. It's not one simple thing. So therefore it needs a special attention. You know that managers are people. Sometimes they would like to be gods, but they are not. They are people. And people need guidance. People need control. They do some mistakes sometimes. And management can be performed in good or bad way. Therefore, management needs evaluations. And this is our task in the future. Total quality management is based on special evaluations of different areas. We have to control the goals. We have to be aware about our special strategy. How is prepared the planning? We have to be ready for our decision-making processes. We have to look for good organization. We have to support the leadership and very important control systems. In this slide, I would like to open the very original philosophy of quality management, and it is a Kaizen. The Kaizen is Japanese philosophy, which means continuous improvement, Kaizen. Why do we need continuous improvement? The current entrepreneurial environment is typical for special continuous development of the industry. And when the industry is developing itself, we need also be continuously improved. We follow that the technological development is very fast. We see that there is a continuous pressure on speed, price, and quality. We see continuous development of human resources because we have to deal with individual workers. We have to speak about Kaizen because there is also continuous development of human society itself. The economy and legal policies is developing itself. Continuous development of natural environment is also a very important point. And the last one, we see continuous need of education and research. And this is covered by the very interesting word of Japanese philosophy, Kaizen. Kaizen means that any interruption would mean waste and loss of quality. Let's speak now about managerial innovation. Because the original philosophy of quality management is based on innovations. The innovations improve many things like competitiveness of company, formulation of company goals, motivating and focusing on efforts, coordination and control. You see what all we have to improve. The development and use of talents, growth and use of our knowledge, and the relationship with stakeholders. So in this case, I would like to finish the first session of our first lesson.